Welcome back to our YouTube tutorial series. In today's video, we will show you how to easily access sound effects on YouTube using your PC. Let's get started. Step 1. Open YouTube Studio. Launch YouTube Studio by logging into your YouTube account and clicking on the YouTube Studio icon. Step 2. Scroll down to Audio Library. Once you're in YouTube Studio, scroll down until you find the Audio Library section located on the left-hand side of the screen. Step 3. Click on Sound Effects. Within the Audio Library section, click on Sound Effects to explore the wide range of sound effects available to enhance your videos. By following these simple steps, you can easily access sound effects on YouTube using your PC. Adding sound effects to your videos can greatly enhance the overall viewer experience and make your content more engaging. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you found it helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful YouTube tips and tricks.